We have some breaking news coming in. The TDP and the BJP have reached an understanding on seat sharing. This a day after roadblocks cropped up in the alliance. The BJP in charge for Andhra Pradesh, Prakash Javadekar, met Chandrababu Naidu in Hyderabad to sort out the differences that the TDP had about selection of BJP candidates. Headlines Today has exclusive access to the compromise formula that the two parties have thrashed out. Sources have told Headlines Today that the BJP is ready to surrender to the TDP 5 assembly seats allotted to it. The BJP will now contest only 9 of the 175 seats in Simandra. The BJP will contest 1 extra Lok Sabha seat though. This means it will put up candidates in 5 of the 25 seats in Simandra. Chandrababu Naidu was unhappy, if you remember, with the BJP fielding weak candidates in assembly seats impacting Lok Sabha seats where the TDP is contesting.
बाद में बताएंगे सर how many seats चलो भाई alliance is there is no okay.
So that's the latest coming out. It seems that the BJP and the TDP stalemate for now seems to be over. This after Prakash Javadekar met with Chandrababu Naidu to save the alliance between the two parties. Our sources are now telling us that a compromise formula has been reached. Editor South T.S. Sudhir now joins me live from Hyderabad. T.S., the BJP relenting to Chandrababu Naidu's demands. What's the inside story on the patch-up?
Well, yes, I mean, both sides driving a hard bargain. The Telugu Desam very miffed with the BJP that it had fielded very weak candidates, and that will impact the chances of 9 Lok Sabha candidates of the Telugu Desam out of the 21 that they were contesting in Simandra, and that was their main grouse. The BJP, we believe, has offered a compromise formula wherein they will change 5 of their assembly candidates. In return, they will take 1 more Lok Sabha seat from the TDP's quota in Simandra, which means that the BJP will now contest 5 instead of 4 Lok Sabha seats. But in the meanwhile, our sources in the TDP suggesting that they would not want the BJP to indulge in this kind of mass exchange of seats at the last minute, because remember, tomorrow is the last date of nominations in the Simandra region, and they would want them to change only, surrender only the Ichapuram seat in the Srikakulam Lok Sabha constituency, but change some of the other weak candidates. So even as we speak now, the final compromise yet to take shape. We really do not know which are the constituencies that are being spoken about. But yes, the alliance really hitting a rocky patch, and it will really remain to be seen as to how it translates into better chemistry on the ground when the two parties actually go into campaigning together. We are told that Narendra Modi and Chandrababu Naidu, they have plans to address rallies together, but the final word not yet said on campaigning together both in Telangana as well as the Simandra region. So the BJP-TDP alliance, while looking good on paper, on the ground, not really translating into those kind of results.
But T.S., what this really means is that both the parties and this alliance is off to a rocky start, and this is something that the BJP will have to be worried about.
Well, the BJP was very happy when someone like Chandrababu Naidu came into the NDA fold. Remember, he was giving outside support to the NDA during the years of the Vajpayee rule, and they thought he was a big fish to catch. And given the fact that he had taken objection to Narendra Modi's role during the Gujarat riots, it was seen as some kind of an endorsement from Chandrababu Naidu and the Telugu Desam to Narendra Modi's candidature as Prime Minister. In fact, the Telugu Desam cadres have been going around saying Narendra Modi for Prime Minister and Chandrababu Naidu for Chief Minister. That's the kind of slogan that the TDP has been espousing. But given this situation, the TDP still maintains that it is the bigger player as far as the Simandra region is concerned, and it would really want to have a say in the kind of candidates that the BJP puts up. It's also pretty miffed with the RSS interference in the entire ticket selection, because the RSS bosses have told the TDP and Chandrababu Naidu in particular that it is none of his business to interfere in what kind of candidates the BJP puts up. The TDP pretty miffed that many of the candidates have an RSS background, and they are pretty weak, and they do not have the kind of mass base that a candidate going into an assembly or a Lok Sabha election should ideally have.
All right, T.S. Sudhir, Editor South, thank you so much for joining us on that breaking story at the top of 5 p.m. We, of course, will keep coming back to you for more.